Hey, what's up, lovely people? Hope you guys are all doing great. So, in this video, we're going to be focusing on the drop down menu section of your agency Google Sheets CRM. All right, so the purpose of this tab right here, if you look at the tabs at the bottom, you see drop down menus, and if you click on it, you should see this section right here. All right, so what this does is that it allows you to control and edit your drop down menus. All right, so if you come in here in your incoming data tab section right here, you notice there are a bunch of drop down menus here, right? In some of these columns, you can see for job type, you got drop down menu. If you scroll to the right, you can see you got drop down menu for states, assigned sales reps. All right, and a few other ones in there. You can see lead stage, lead source, service needed. All right, so just in case you want to edit information over here, let's just say you got a new sales rep called Derek, right? So you want to add Derek's name over here. Okay, so let's say his name is Derek Foreman. All right, so this is the only other part of your spreadsheet that you are allowed to come in here and update. Okay, because this one is sort of like connected to incoming data sheet, so it's more like an extension of your incoming data sheet. All right, so when you come in here, and let's assume we just added a new sales rep called Derek Foreman. Okay, so all we got to do is come into the drop down menu and just type their name in here, and then when we go to the incoming data sheet, and then let's go over to the assigned sales reps right here. So if we go in here and we click the down arrow, we notice Derek Foreman is now showing up here. Okay, so we can click Derek Foreman right here. Okay, and then if you want to fix the color for Derek Foreman, right, you notice when we pick Derek Foreman, it did not turn black, right? So in order for you to fix that, you can go over to where it says data at the top here, and then click on data validation. All right, and then we want to find out which of these ones control this column P over here. Okay, this is column P. So we got data validation. We're gonna go ahead and put our mouse over here and scroll down, and then we will finally find out the one that controls P. We go back down here. That's not it. This is it right here. See how it's highlighted, right? See that? So now you know this part here controls this section over here. So we want to go ahead and go change this color to black, and then we want to hit done. All right, and then we can X out, and now you can see that the color has changed for Derek Foreman. Okay, and then you can do the same for the other ones over here. If you want to add maybe a new lead source, we could go over here to our drop down menu. Let's say we want to add radio, right? So we want to go over here, and then want to pull this down, and then want to type radio right here. Okay, let me make this a little bit bigger. Radio, make it bold, change this. All right, let me make this. All right, so we've added radio to our lead source. If we come into our incoming data, remember I said this tab right here is closely connected to incoming data. That's why you are able to edit this section. Okay, it's an extension of incoming data. All right, so once you add the radio, you go to incoming data, and now we have a new lead source called radio. So if we come in here and we click radio, you see radio is showing up now over here. If you want to make it so when we pick radio, the color changes to black, you want to go to data validation, click on data at the top here, go to data validation, and then look for the part that controls this column. All right, to do that, all you got to do is to place your mouse over here and pull it down, just scroll down, and you will see which one controls that column. All right, then you bring it down, and then right there you can see that place is highlighted. All right, and then you know, once you click it, now you can see radio right here, and then you can now change the color to black and hit done, and you're good. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. The main purpose of this video is to show you how to update your drop down menu. All right, and this is the only part, like I said, the only part besides the incoming data section that you can update. All right, the reason is it is closely related to incoming data. It's an extension of incoming data. All right, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.